In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to add a Netspend card or account to Cash App. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Cash App installed on your phone. Go to App Store or Play Store, then search for Cash App. If you see the option of update, click on it. Once Cash App is updated, open the app and go to the banking section. Look for the option to manage your linked banks or linked cards, then choose the option to add a new account. Search for Netspend in the list of available institutions. If Netspend is not listed, Cash App may provide an option to enter your bank details manually. If available, enter the routing number and account number associated with your eligible Netspend account and follow the verification instructions. After the account has been successfully linked, you can use the available Cash App features to move money between your linked account and Cash App, subject to Cash App and Netspend current eligibility requirements, limits, and fees. If the linking option does not appear or your Netspend account is not accepted, the feature may not be supported for a specific card or account, and that's how you can try to connect your Netspend account with Cash App. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.